Oh, it's so tempting, huh, guys? Long, lazy waves. But I can tell you for sure, it is freezing cold today. It's only 10 Celsius degrees in the air. It feels like it because the wind is cold, though the waves are not so big. So there are no surfings today. I like to take a walk along the seashore anyway. I've only got 6 days, 5 days. Wow, that's not much. For us, when I only got 5 more days to spend here, the weather podcast looks quite good compared to what I have had the last 3 months. It's still cold though, but it will be sun the next days, it says. I hope they're right. At least you can notice that it's much more people out when the sun is shining than it is when it's not. These guys, I've been longing for days like this. Happily it had arrived, but sadly I'm leaving 5 days from now. Oh, back to the cold icy Norway. Caravan people are back again. Yeah, for weeks you haven't seen many cars up here. It's starting now to get a bit more. Yeah, definitely. If I had a caravan or lived in a car, I would have parked here too. And it's allowed. Yeah, stay up there. Beautiful. So strange. It's